Hi, my name's Ira, and today we're going to be simplifying the expression m to the third over n squared all to the third power times n over m to the negative third power all to the negative second power. Let's get started. But before we do, there's a few rules I would like to make sure that you understand. If I have 1 over a to the negative b, so if there's a negative exponent in the denominator, we can take that expression and move it up to the numerator and keep the same numbered power but the opposite sign. So 1 over a to the negative b will become a to the positive b. And the same thing if we have an expression with a negative exponent in a numerator. If I have a to the negative b power, that just equals 1 over a to the positive b power. Furthermore, if I have an already created fraction, let's say a over b raised to the negative c, that just equals b over a raised to the positive c. A couple more things. If I have a to the b power raised to the c power, we just multiply the b and c terms, and so it's just a to the b times c power. And if I have a to the b times a to the c power, that equals a to the b plus c power, which means if I'm multiplying two terms with the same base but different powers, we add those exponents together. All right, so the first thing I want to do is get rid of the internal negative exponents. And the way we would do that is we take this m to the negative third power and then jump it up to the numerator of its given term within the parentheses. So we would then have, we keep this first one the same for right now, m to the third over n squared all to the third power times nm to the third power all over 1, all raised to the negative 2 power. Now we're going to flip that external negative exponent. And so we now have m to the third over n squared all raised to the third times 1 over nm to the third all squared. Now we're going to use the power rule to raise all of our terms to their given exponents. So we take m to the third and we raise it to the third as by the power rule. Here, we're going to multiply 3 times 3 and get 9, so we have m to the ninth. We have n squared raised to the third power. We would take 2 times 3, which is 6. So we have n to the sixth. We have 1 over n m to the third all squared. We take the n to the first and raise it to the second power. So we have n to the second power. We have m to the third raised to the second power. That's 3 times 2 is m to the sixth. Now what we're going to do is any exponents that are in the numerator, we're going to subtract the value that that same variable's exponent has in the denominator. So we have m to the ninth in the numerator and m to the sixth in the denominator. So we do m to the 9 minus 6. And we're going to add the n terms exponents because they're all in the denominator portion. In the first term's denominator, it's n to the sixth, and the second term's denominator, it's n squared. So, again, I didn't write it out here, but it's n to the sixth times n squared is just 6 plus 2, n to the eighth. Okay? And now we're going to take 9 minus the sixth power. 9 minus 6 is 3. So our final simplified result is m to the third divided by n to the eighth power. Hope you learned something. Have a great day.